رب زدني علما.
Hello dear students, how are you doing today? Today in this lecture we are going to talk about logic gates. Logic gates is a very important topic in electronics, and electronics is a branch of physics. We must understand basic concept of logic gates. So before I move forward, so let's talk about digital electronics. In digital electronics we study the information that consists of zeros and ones. One, zero, one, one, zero, zero, zero. So your information is like this. Only two states. Either it is 0 or it is 1. 0 means off, or you can understand 0 as false, or you can understand 0 as no. But if you talk about 1, what is 1? On, true. Yes. So you can use any of them, all have the same meaning, but in digital electronics the information is always written in the form of zeros and ones, and this basically sequence of zeros and one is understood by computers, because our computers and electronic devices understand only these zeros and ones. Before we move ahead, we need to understand these concepts. What are Boolean variables? Boolean variables are the quantities which have only two states. Either it will be on or it will be off. Either it will be 1 or it will be 0. Either it will be true or it will be false. So Boolean variables, it can be A, B, C, X, Y, Z. You can define so many variables, X, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. And all these variables has two possible states only two possible states. It can be 1 or it can be 0. It can be true, it can be false. When Boolean algebra is applied on these variables, so some operation is performed. So that operation is called logic operation, because these variables which can have only two states, they will follow certain rules, and those rules are basically Boolean algebra. When Boolean algebra rules are applied here and some operation is performed, and such operations are called logic operations. So there are three basic logic operations. So basically there are three logic operations: AND operation, OR operation, and NOT operation. So these operations basically follow the rules of Boolean algebra. Then later I'm going to discuss all of these, so don't worry about that. What are truth tables? Truth table contains all possible inputs and corresponding outputs for a given logic operation. And what is logic gate? This is our main topic. What is logic gate? So logic gate is a circuit. Basically it's a circuit. It's an electronic circuit. It's an electronic circuit that is performing some logic operation. The electronic circuit that performs some logic operation is called logic gate. So there are three basic logic gates. The first logic gate is AND. AND gate. AND gate performs AND operation. It performs AND operation. It performs AND operation. Its symbol is like this. This is a symbol of AND gate. It has two inputs A and B, and it has one output X. How does it work? Let's discuss it. So there are four possible inputs. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. All right, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is basically 0. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. In binary form, we can write like this: 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. But in hexa form, you can write 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. All right. So these are possible inputs. All right. And here we are talking about AND gate, and AND gate is the gate that performs AND operation. So what is the AND operation? It's basically a multiplication. It's basically a multiplication. When we multiply 0 into 0, it would be like this: 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, and 1 into 1, 1. Basically, it's a multiplication. X equals A times B, like this. So this is the mathematical representation of AND gate. X is equal to A times B. Let me tell you one tip how to learn this. If any input is 0, it will give you 0. If any input is 0, the output will be 0. It can give you output 1 only when both inputs or all inputs are 1 or true. If I draw the circuit for this AND gate, it would be like this. This can be A switch and this can be B switch. Both of these two switches must be closed. If they are in closed form like this, then what happens? The bulb will turn on. All right. So when both are 1, the output will be 1. When both are closed, the output will be 1. 1 means on. All right, you got it? So when both are 1, output is 1. If any of 1 is 0, output is 0. So this is AND gate. So what is OR gate? OR gate performs OR operation. It performs OR operation. What is OR operation? Addition of the inputs. Mathematical representation, it's a symbol, and truth table is here. What are the possible inputs? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. All right. So what is OR gate? It's simply addition. It's simply addition. So if you add both of them, here it will be maximum 1, because in digital world there is no 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 1 is 1 here. So in other words, we can learn this truth table like this. If any input is 1, output will be 1. So this is the diagram for the OR gate. So current is going from here. It has two paths, one from here and second from here. If this is open and this is closed, suppose this is closed, so the bulb will turn on, right? It will turn on. If it is 1 and this is 0, so output is 1. 1 0 1 1 0, answer 1, right? Okay. Second, suppose this is open and this is also open. Both are open. Both are open means 0 0 0 0. Output is 0. So bulb will remain turned off. You got it? Okay. Now both are 1. Both are 1 means both are closed. Both are closed. Both are 1. This is 1 and this is also 1. 1 1, output is 1. So current will go from here, from here, from here, and it will turn on. What is NOT gate? NOT gate is basically called inverter. What is inverter? If you give 1 on an input, it will give you 0. If 1 is input, output will be 0. If 0 is input, output will be 1. So it basically reverses the input. All right, let's draw the truth table. A and X. If you have 0 at the input, you will get 1. If you have 1 in the input, you will get 0. These are three basic operations: AND operation, OR operation, and using AND, OR, and NOT gate, you can make all of these gates: NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate, exclusive NOR gate.
ये जहालत के सारे अंधेरे न हो, हर मुसलमान की है दुआ।